Hey everybody, it's Ninja Keeper here, and I have a package. So I'm pretty excited on what this is. It's actually was supposed to get this on Thursday, but it's amazing. And it shipped from Huron, Kentucky, I think. So let's open it. And I ordered this from Amazon. A Rubik's Cube. But it's not like any ordinary one. At least I hope so. Awesome. A little dusty. Whoa. So that's what a yulong feels like. Nice. And for those of you that don't know, this is a sticker, or not stickers, transparent. So it's apparently a transparent yulong. A Youngjin, or Youngjin yulong. So now I have a Moyu, a Weilong, and a yulong. Huh. Corner cutting. Easily line to line, which is 45. Reverse, not as much. Little loopy there. Checkerboard pattern, not bad. Yep, center cap comes off. And that symbol is actually tattooed onto the thing. So that's cool. Nice. So I'm pretty happy that I have this. Now I have a yulong. So I have a Weilong and a yulong. And a Diane. I have a Diane Zanchi Megamings, Moyu Weilong Stickerless version 2, and a Yulong. At least I think it's by Moyu. A Yulong, or, yeah, Youngjin Yulong. So, yeah, it's awesome. Wonder what it'll be like to solve it. Crazy. But anyway, yeah, that is my Youngjin Yulong, or I think it's Moyu Yulong. Weilong and a Yulong. So, yeah. So happy that I got this. It's transparent. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.